Hey guys, welcome to Pat's Oasis, a peaceful space in everyday life where you can explore, discover, and unwind. Well, today I'm in an open field where there are swings and slides. That's a good thing for kids. When they come here, they swing, they slide, they get amused, they get excited. It reminds me of a time when we traveled with my family to Disneyland, Florida. Disney World. It was nice. It had so much fun for the whole family. And it's one of the largest amusement parks in the world. Well, I gathered a number of travel tips when you're going to a theme park or an amusement park. Firstly, make sure you check out their website. You get all the details, you do a good research so that you can plan your own itinerary on the things you want to do. That might help you with your budget and it might help you save time and money. Then secondly, when you're going on traveling to an amusement park or theme park, you can consult. If you're going with a group or family members, you can consult which are the activities they'd like to be a part of, to participate in. Yeah, so that you don't start arguing there. Where should we go? Where should we not? Because to save on time. Then thirdly, book a hotel that is near the place. Like when we went there, we got a hotel that was very near the Disney World, and there was a bus which usually used to take people to the place. Then fourthly, don't start with the activities that are just at the entrance. You might use a lot of time in those activities and miss out the grand activities that are way ahead. Then also another tip, such places, amusement parks and theme parks, they're usually very crowded. If you're able to go during a time when it's low season, there are not many people, you can do that. Or also when you go there, you can decide as a family to color code. Like us, we were all wearing yellow. Especially the children had to wear yellow so that we can spot them easy. It's easy to get lost there. Then make sure you take a lot of pictures, have fun. And then you can also identify which activities are free, because they're usually equally good. Then also remember, there's some activities you might go there, they might use some of your energy. So you can consider carrying water and some snacks to regain your energy. Well, that's it from Pat's Oasis today. For more details, check out my website, patsoasis.com. Check out the upcoming books on Amazon, Pat's Travel Tips and Tales, Pat's Makeup, and some do-it-yourself tips. Bye for now.